And let's start taking this down a little bit. Back to that first exercise we did. We came up overhead, and we did side bends. Over, over. Now, if you're using the shovel, remember your weight is going to be not evenly distributed. So it's going to feel a little different from one side to the next. This is a nice core workout, and you don't even have to get on the floor. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And let's try a quick little shoulder routine here. Feet together, knees bent, belly tight. You're going to lift up shoulder height and release back down. Not higher than your shoulders, lots of control. You don't want to swing. Make sure you're keeping the core tight and the upper body stationary. I don't want to see this. Good. Let's try some tricep extensions. Take the hands overhead, 1 foot forward, knees bent, bend behind your head, and push up to the ceiling. Again, we're unevenly distributed here with our weight, so it's going to feel a little off. That's okay. Hands behind the head, looks like this. And from here, we're going to go ahead and take those feet back. Give me an extension forward with the fingertips. Nice straight legs. Exhale, tighten the belly, stand nice and tall, press the shoulders down. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze, belly button pulls in. Again, nice core work without having to get on the floor. Shoulders depressed, neck nice and long. Give the head a nice little shake. You want the neck nice and relaxed. And let's try the other side. Back to our front raises. Wherever your feet are comfortable, you can keep them wide, close together, whatever you're comfortable with. Usually we're stronger on one side, weaker on another. That's pretty normal. Of course, you're aiming for balance. Take some time to balance out the body. I think we forgot our side bends. We'll throw those in next. All the way up and side bend over, up. A few more exhales, tighten that belly. Shoulders are relaxed away from your ears. And let's hit the triceps one more time. Heart rate should be coming down quite a bit. And behind the head, press up towards the ceiling. Couple more of those. And bring that shovel down. Let's do a real quick stretch here. We're going to press 1 foot forward. Heart rate should be down. It's going to stay slightly elevated for a while. Don't lay down on the floor. You can go out and shovel if you want. And switch sides. But you've done your cardio, so you don't need to do that. Make sure you check me out on my fan page on Facebook, Kimberly Brehm, B-R-E-H-M. Stay connected for more videos. Enjoy the snow if you are on the East Coast, and if you're someplace warm, we don't want to know about it. Enjoy the sun for us over here. One more stretch on the other side. It's amazing what you can do with a shovel. And quick stretch forward, lengthen the back, just like we did before. Extend. Pull your belly button in around your spine. Make sure the knees are bent slightly. And release. And release. And one more time. Roll it up. Have a glass of water and have a great day. See you soon.